Media Services Group tutorial on adding a new customer while in subscription entry. From the Elan.Web main menu, let's go ahead and click on Subscriptions. This will bring us to the Subscriptions home. From the menu bar on the top, click on Subscribers and then enter a new subscription. This brings us to our blank order entry page for subscriptions. Now, as previously stated, if you know the customer number, you can enter it. If you don't know the customer number, you can search for your customer. If after searching for your customer you cannot find them, then we have an option to go ahead and enter a new customer from the order entry screen. Just click on the pull-down menu next to Subscriber and click on Add a New Customer. So now we see we can enter a new company or a new individual or both a company and individual at the same time. Defaulting to new company, you can see that the first field we would fill in is company name. I'm going to go ahead and add a new individual, and you see how the screen has changed. We have an opportunity to enter an employer ID or search for that employer, but I'm just going to enter a basic individual. I'm going to go ahead and enter the first name and last name. We can enter an informal name if we want. We can select the correct salutation for this person. By selecting Miss, notice how my gender automatically defaults to female. For our job title, I'll select Other because this is a home address that I'm entering. We'll have to enter a customer class. I'll go ahead and choose Domestic, but again, you see this is a pull-down menu. If you have an email address, phone number, cell number, or fax number, you can go ahead and enter that information here. However, it is not required. If you've got a separate bill to customer, that customer does already have to exist in the system, and you can either enter that bill to ID or search for them and their name will display. Now we're at the address section. I'm going to go ahead and enter her address. And the zip code. And notice when I enter the zip code, city and state default in. Where tax region defaults in based on our customer. And now we can go ahead and add our new customer, and notice that when we do this, the customer information will default into the subscription entry screen, the new subscriber number, the name, the delivery address ID, and the delivery address itself. This has been adding a new customer while in subscription entry.